He once again bringing the credibility of the justice system into question, saying that there's an incapable an incompetent NPA.
Well, there may be some merit to the argument about incompetence, but it certainly doesn't relate to his case. You can talk about incompetence in series or even delays, perhaps a less pejorative term, maybe delays in the processes of the NPA and the way in which they've prosecuted cases, particularly urgent ones. But the question of their inability in this particular case has nothing to do with their incompetence. It's got to do with the complicated nature of the case. He keeps arguing that there are no charges against him and that the journalists must go and find what those charges are. But he will get them when he faces them in court. This harks back to, the period in South African politics, 2005 to 2007, when it's all about intrigue and conspiracy. However, no one would tell you who is conspiring and who are these people, these charlatans behind the scenes who are pulling strings and who puppeteers of different institutions. So, there's all this intrigue, there's all this paranoia, there's all this conspiracy, but very little of it is actually brought to light. So you've got to ask, what are you actually talking about? And
I want to ask you when we come back if the fights within the ANC are coming back with him mentioning Shanduka now. But for now, let's take you back to the floor.